Hey everyone, so from today I have started this series of 5 vocab words daily. So I have written these vocab words from the Hindu editorial. So we will cover these 5 words daily and it will help us to retain the vocab words because vocab words are very important for mains exam and close test also. So it will help us both like me and you also. Okay, so let's start. So the first word is sporadic. So sporadic means occurring at irregular intervals or only in a few places, occurring by chance. Like it does not occur daily, and these are sudden events like a sporadic fight started on the road, like the events which happen suddenly. Okay, they does not happen regularly. So these things are called sporadic, like some fight happens in your neighborhood, so that is sporadic. Okay, so our next word is abate. Abate means becoming less intense or widespread of something perceived as hostile, threatening, or negative. It means that some event or something which we think that it is very dangerous, but in real it is not that much dangerous. This is called abate. Like the sentence is, the storm abated after an hour. It means that the intensity of the storm reduced after an hour. Okay, so what this means, when the storm came we thought that it will be very dangerous, but with time it abated, means its intensity reduced. Okay, so the next word is persist. So persist means continue firmly or obstinately in an opinion or a course of action in spite of difficulty, opposition or failure, or continue to exist. Like if we keep doing something in which we are having hurdles, but we keep doing this thing. Okay, so this is called persist. Like if you persist practicing, you will pass the exam. Means if we keep practicing, we have to face many hurdles, like we will have doubts in some questions, but eventually we will crack the exam. So if you persist practicing, you will pass the exam. So persist means continue something in which you have some difficulties or opposition, but we keep doing it on regular basis. Okay, so this is the meaning of persist. So our next word is searing. So searing means extremely hot or intense, severely critical. Okay, which is very intensifying. This is called searing. So the sentence is, I felt a searing pain after the accident. So searing is which is very strong. If we have an accident, if we meet with an accident, then we feel searing pain. So searing pain is very intense pain. Okay, very strong feeling of pain. So this is called searing. So our next word is spate. So spate means a large number of similar things or events appearing or occurring in quick succession. Okay, so spate means similar events that are happening one by one. Like a spate of rain started from yesterday evening. Like rain started from yesterday evening and it kept coming again and again. Okay, so this is called spate. Like similar events happen in regular interval of time. The next word is embark. So embark means beginning a course of action which is important or demanding. Like now the color notification is about to come, so you should embark your preparation because this is most demanding at this time. Okay, the start of the preparation. So we should start our preparation as it is most important this time. Okay, so starting something is called embark. So the next word is milieu. Milieu means a person's social environment. Okay, the sentence is, he remained firm to his milieu of arrogance and lost the job. Milieu means the kind of thoughts and the kind of social environment we have kept around us. Okay, so this is called milieu. So the sentence is, he remained firm to his milieu of arrogance. Okay, It means he remained firm in his attitude of arrogance, in his thinking, in his thoughts of arrogance, and he lost his job. So these are the 6 words which I have noted today from the Hindu editorial. And what you have to do, you have to make sentences of your own in your notebook and just read them 2 to 3 times. Okay, you can also comment down the sentences in the comment section of the video and try to revise it 2 to 3 times. Then we will do weekly revision of these words on Sunday. Okay, so that I have thought about vocab, and I think this is better for retaining the vocabulary. So we will do quick revision. First is sporadic. Sporadic means an accident that happens irregularly. So we can take example of accidents, okay, or any fight which does not happen on regular intervals. Next is abate. Abate means which becomes less intense, like the storms becomes abated after some time. Okay. Next is persist. Persist means which continues to happen and it has some hurdles also. So the next is searing. Searing means which is very intense, which is very hot and severely critical. Okay, like we feel a searing pain when we meet with an accident. Next is spate. Spate means a large number of similar events, like a spate of rain started from yesterday evening. Okay, so rain kept coming from yesterday evening, so the spate of rain started. Embark. Embark means to begin a course of action that is important at this time. You can keep it in mind by the example I gave you of starting the preparation. Okay. Next is milieu. Milieu means a person's social environment which he keeps around him, okay, in mentally or physically. So that's all. These are the words. Try to make sentences of your own and try to revise these words 2 to 3 times. Okay. So that's all. Thank you and have a good day. All the best.